Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out dropship.io, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way to make money? Is this legitimate? How much money can you make with this particular dropship tool? Or is this fake and it's a waste of time? Let's check it out, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of ways to make money online, all sorts of different software, different business models, different applications, different apps. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out dropship.io to find out whether this is a good way to make money online. Should you start a dropshipping business? How does dropship.io work, right? Or are there better ways to make money online out there, okay? Now, dropship.io is essentially a dropshipping spy tool, all right? So what it does is it allows you to monitor other successful dropship stores all over the world on all sorts of different platforms to basically gain as much information as you can so that you can make good decisions for your dropshipping business. All right, so let me be very, very clear. The only person that should really use dropship.io is someone that is already running a dropshipping business or is thinking of running a dropshipping business. Okay, if you don't have a dropshipping business, then dropship.io is not going to help you at all. All right, now, if you want to know what dropshipping is, if you're a complete beginner, right? All dropshipping is you're basically going out there and you're buying cheap physical products, okay? So it must be physical, and it's products from all sorts of different marketplaces, and we'll talk about it a little bit later, like AliExpress, for example, right? Or other outside sources. You might buy something like a calculator or a kitty lamp or something like that for cheap, and then you would create a Shopify store and you would resell it for a little bit of a markup, and then you would drive usually paid ads directly to your store. Someone would find you through the ads, they would buy, and then you would fulfill the delivery by buying it from that cheaper e-commerce store and putting that person's delivery address so that they send it directly to the person wherever they are in the world. That's essentially what dropshipping is, okay? And so dropship.io is really about giving you the tools to allow you to find out what type of products really sell well, how much the other competitors are, and also to spy on their ads, okay? So they've got something called the product database, okay? And it's really about understanding what sells well. And this is really the big trick about dropshipping, because if you think about it, there are millions of different products out there. I mean, you could sell anything. You could sell, look at this, a stainless steel pint cup. You could sell a smart HD portable projector. You could sell a multi for plant-based people. You could sell an anti-mite vacuum cleaner, right? So there's so many different things that you can sell. And so what dropship.io does is it's a spy tool, right? It will basically integrate with all of these different platforms, Shopify, Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, and they find out what the top dropshippers in the world are actually doing, okay? So you can basically spy on them and find out, well, if this guy is making, $9,000 with the stainless steel pint cup, maybe that's a good product for you to sell because it seems like it's popular, okay? And then what you would do is they would link you to AliExpress right here, and you can, buy a very, very similar product from a cheap e-commerce website like AliExpress. And then what you can do is you can decide, okay, if this is a good, thing to sell, and you want to put it onto your Shopify store, then you might start to advertise and create ads around the stainless steel pint cup, okay? And then when somebody, sees your ad on Facebook or YouTube or where, Google Shopping ads, and they come to your store, then you can sell these as well and hopefully generate a profit. That's kind of how it works, okay? So this is a cool part about dropship.io. It's got a product database. You can follow different stores. You can follow, you can click on track right here on the right-hand side. You can track the product. You can track the sales. You can track the store. So here's a sales tracker, right? So discover what other sellers are selling and what makes them the most sales, okay? So you can track with sales, how much are they actually earning, that kind of thing. So it's kind of cool, right? It just allows you to, it just gives you a little bit more information. Now, AdSpot is another really cool thing. It's the ultimate Facebook ad spy tool, right? So it's all about looking at what type of drop shipping ads work, okay? And then modeling that on Facebook specifically so that you can get better results for your ads as well. So the whole idea here is about increasing your conversions, lowering your cost per click, right? And maximizing your sales conversions. So if you know what the competitors are doing, then generally what you can do is you can model them and get better results so that you can get, better ad rates, you can get lower, cost per clicks, lower cost for impressions and things like that, so that you can drive up your sales. That's essentially what it is, okay? So dropship.io is overall a pretty cool spy tool, I think, specifically for dropshipping, all right? Now, there is a price point, okay? This is not free. You do have to pay for it, but at the basic level, it covers pretty much everything that you need, all right? It's $29 per month. It's not expensive. It's billed monthly, right? 20 searches per day on the product database, 20 searches per day, competitive research, 10,000 credits for ad spot, 20 to 40 products per week on the portfolio, 10 stores to track, 20 products to track, 15 stores per day on the Chrome extension. Not too bad. Okay, if you want a little bit more, then you can upgrade to the standard, which boosts it up a little bit. 20 searches per day is okay. It's I think it's pretty decent, to be honest. You probably won't go more than that, but if you want to run like a really big business, then you might have to go for the standard plan, okay, which is still pretty cheap. I mean, $49 a month as a infrastructure cost to your business is actually very, very little if you think about it, okay? Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of dropship.io, all right? So first of all, what it is and what it's not. Okay, a lot of people don't understand this. So first of all, what it is it's basically a spy tool that allows someone who is running a dropshipping business to run a better business. That's all it is. It just allows you to locate winning products. It allows you to create and model winning ads, and it allows you to find out which stores are doing very well so you can spy on them and model them and hopefully replicate that process for your own dropshipping store. Okay, so that's essentially what it is. That's all it is, right? What it is not is it doesn't help you to find good suppliers necessarily, because they work very closely with AliExpress. So yes, they link you to AliExpress, but that's pretty much it. Okay, they don't link you out to any other e-commerce website. So if you can't find it on AliExpress, then it doesn't show you any other website, which is actually a bit of a disadvantage, right? Because not everything is on AliExpress. The other problem is it doesn't allow you to automate your order fulfillment. That's very important to understand, okay? So that means that if you decide to run a dropship store, with dropship.io, you still have to fulfill all of the products yourself. That means that when somebody comes to your Shopify store, so let's just say you decide, okay, you find out from dropship.io that selling the stainless steel pint cup is what you want to test out, because it's saying that somebody here is making a lot of money on their store, right? So you put it on your Shopify store and you locate it on AliExpress. When somebody comes through your ad on Facebook or Google Shopping ads or whatever, they land on your Shopify store and they're like, oh, I want to buy this stainless steel pint cup, right? And then they buy it from your store. You still have to manually fulfill that order. So that means you have to take that order, you have to go to AliExpress, you have to buy it yourself, you have to fill in your customer's details so that AliExpress will send it to your customer, okay? So that manual order fulfillment, unfortunately, is actually a very time-consuming part of dropshipping, and with dropship.io, they do not automate that process. So either you will have to do it yourself, or you will have to hire someone to do that full-time, or you have to use some other piece of software to try and automate that process, okay, which you will have to pay for. So that is the disadvantage of dropship.io. But you have to understand that dropship.io is really designed as a spy tool, okay? It's not really designed to automate the process. It's just designed as a spy tool, and it's pretty affordable. It's not expensive. It's $29 per month at the basic level and $49 per month at the standard level, which I think is good enough, okay? So what do I think of dropship.io? I think as a spy tool, it's very cool. It's not expensive. Unfortunately, they don't have any automations here to make your business automated. It's really just to spy on people and then you have to implement that into your business. Okay, so you have to understand that, right? There are pros and cons to dropshipping. As a business model, it's not that you can't make money from dropshipping, you can. But the problem with dropshipping is because you're selling physical products, the profit margins on each physical product is very, very small. Generally speaking, when you sell dropshipping products, the cost per product is very low. It's a lot of cheap products, right? And so you have to sell a lot of volume, which means that there's a lot of work. You either have to, work very hard yourself to fulfill the orders, or you have to find a good software to automate it, or you have to hire someone, which increases the cost, okay? And of course, the main way to drive traffic really is paid traffic, so it can get quite expensive. And so there are a lot of disadvantages with dropshipping, even though you can potentially build quite a big business with dropshipping, but there are a lot of costs. It's a low profit, high volume type of business, and it's very, very time consuming, and it will take a long time to get to the big income levels like 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 in profit a month. Okay, so just be aware of that if you're thinking about starting any type of dropshipping business. But as a dropship software spy tool, dropship.io is not bad. It's pretty cool. Okay, so if you want to check it out, dropship.io right here, right? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to generate some income on the internet, right? I have researched so many different tools, business models, softwares, apps on this channel, literally reviewed hundreds and hundreds of them. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And out of all the good strategies, now I have tested tons of them. I've spent thousands of dollars of my own money testing all these strategies. Out of all the ones I've tested, out of the good ones, there's one strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in 2019, and I 5 times my old corporate salary. This is, I think, a great strategy for beginners. If you've never made any money online before, I think it's one of the best strategies online out there if you want to test it out and you want to make money from home. If you want to check it out, I've got a free masterclass. I will show you how this works step by step. Just click the link all the way at the bottom. I wish you all the best with your income generating journey, and I hope to see you on another video review in the future. Take care.